everyone, speak to me Tata. Now I will to tell you about 20 things in supermarket. Let's go. That is wipers, shampoo, diapers, detergent, paprika, mouthwash, that is bar soap, body lotion, toothpaste, and the last this is bread, this is ketchup, sugar, coffee, that is bread, oh that is honey, that is tea, noodle, that is flour, that is water, and the last this is seasoning, bumbu masak rica-rica.